Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to share with you the shampoo and conditioner I've been using from TRESemme. Now, this is for flawless curls, and so I thought I would try this out because I do have wavy hair. Sometimes if I work it good, I can get some cute curls. But I think having a shampoo and a conditioner for wavy curly hair is really important, as well as getting something that is paraben, dye, and mineral oil free, which this is all of those. Now, this shampoo and conditioner smells amazing. What I also liked is it's 28 fluid ounces. It came in a 2-pack. It's gonna last me a long time. The shampoo is nice and sudsy. I feel like it's cleaning my hair. And the conditioner is very creamy. It coats my hair. It feels very much moisturized, which is important. I tend to have drier hair, so I really put a lot of conditioner, and especially having the waves and stuff. So if you're looking for some good shampoo and conditioner, it's very reasonably priced and works well, smells amazing, I definitely would recommend this from TRESemme, and that is my point of view.